Viewers, today we are discuss about how to organize the drilling industry components, especially like drill pipes, casings, chemical bags, and remaining what are the equipments which are available in the drilling industry. So before we going to introduce about our topic, if you like my videos, please subscribe and share. Thank you. And let we go to our topic. What is the first of all, what is the stability? Before we are storing any element, is it the position of that element or maybe equipment is in a stable condition or a not a stable? We should know, because whenever we want to lift from one place to another place, until you don't know what is the exact center of gravity of that point, and you are placing a sling or maybe you are placing a rope, or you maybe use any chain to lift it. If you are not using a good proper position for that, then how it will be lift? Even though if it is lifted, but it is not like a good position of lifting, and it will leads to a failure, maybe damage, or maybe cause of fatality also sometimes. Okay, so now we will discuss here what is the stability of the equipment or maybe a instrument. You see here, stationary or a slow moving objects are stable. As we know that because stationary there is no movement, so they will not do anything, they simply rest. If they have a wide base, if they have a wide base, that means their base is wide, then only they are stable. Okay, their weight is concentrated near the base, that is they have low center of gravity. Understand? The base and the material that objects stand on the will not for bend or crush or sink. That means what is sink and what is crush? As you know that sink, when we talk about, if the element or maybe equipment which is on the a liquid body, then if it is not in a good center of gravity, then definitely it will be sink, because like a boat which is floats over the water body, if the center of gravity of that boat is not good in a position, then obviously it will sink. And crushing also, whenever we are placing a one element upon the another element, like that you are organizing, whenever you are putting in a good position, then only it will be in the good order. If you are changing the center of gravity and you are not following the good organizing manner, then definitely it will fall down and cause crush. A vertical line from the center of gravity is well within the base of the object, definitely. So here you see the diagram of cones. Here you understand what is the center of gravity concept. So here there are two conditions are there. One is most unstable, another one is most stable. What is the difference here you see? If you see here, there is a cone which is in the inverted position and normal position. In right side one is most stable condition is a normal position. If you want to put any element which is in a stable position, before you have to think what is the position we have to place on the base. Suppose here you see this is a cone, it having base and having creased point, that is topmost point. The topmost point which is not allowed to place on the floor, because the point not support to stand, but here the base can support to stand the cone. So and also center of gravity also acting towards to the downside, and cone will be most stable condition in the right side, but in left side it is not possible, it is impossible. So whenever you are placing any element, it should be like a most stable condition, not a most unstable condition. Here you see a body which is in horizontal direction, horizontal manner it is placed here. Okay, this is very stable. The condition is very stable because entire body surface is touches the ground. There is no chance of falling because already it is in a rest mode like a stationary. But here you see this condition, here narrow base, not too stable. Even though we are placing some cases it is okay, but it is also not stable condition. Base almost nil, very unstable. Here you see there is only one point contact. Here there is a point contact. Here there is a little chance of stable, but here almost impossible because it having a point contact. Whenever there is a point contact, definitely the load which direction they want, they will move in the quicker manner and causing fall of the equipment. Okay, so see here in these forklifts, these two forklifts, they are carrying the chemical bags or maybe cement. So whenever they want to transport any elements from the one place to another place with the help of these external aids, that is forklift. Here you see in the first one, in the first one, very organized manner, upon the wooden pallet, upon the wooden pallet, these sacks are transporting. See, they are very well organized. They are very well organized. Even this forklift go upon the not even road also, there is not cause a big problem for this load. But here you see this is another load transporting. There is no wooden pallet, but still they are transporting these elements from one place to another place. Is it possible to transport these elements or maybe equipments, whatever the things they are transporting? Is it possible to reach the destiny? Of course, we cannot. Because why? Here there is no good organization, there is no supervision, no one will take care about this one. Whenever the vehicle is going, then if any obstacle will come upon the road, then it causes slip of the trip, fall of that any one of the element which cause under come to the forklift under the tire. Forklift under like coming towards to the tire and cause crush of the equipment. So before whenever you are transporting anything with the help of forklift, you should take care about your elements because that is very important. Here some of the conditions of the stable and unstable. Here whenever you want to store in any element or removing any element, it should be know how to store and how to remove. Even sometimes we cannot judge is it a good condition or good position also, but still we have a chance to place them in a good manner. And also how to place the slings for the different elements. We do if we don't know, we can ask anyone who is person having the knowledge about that one, or maybe you may wait for some time and for the supervision. But you cannot use the slings in a bad manner and cause a huge in accidents. Okay, so first of all we see this stable and unstable conditions. Later we will discuss how to use the sling also here. Okay, so first of all, what is the stable condition for placing the boxes? If you take any box which is in horizontal position, that is in first condition, it having any problem? No, because maximum contact of the base with the floor, there is no chance of falling of that box. But in case of this vertical position, definitely there is a less contact of the base comparatively horizontal, this one. So definitely it will fall. If will it will fall. So whenever you are storing any boxes, like you may be bringing any air conditioners or maybe any instruments which are having any box manner, then how you will place not in a vertical position, in a horizontal position only, because maybe sometimes inside the element also there are so many elements are available. In vertical position they may have a chance for crushing or maybe damage of the equipment also. Okay, and the next one is pipes. So how to store the pipes also, it is very very important, because whenever you are maybe pull out of the hole, that is p over h, we can write as a short notes, pulling out of the hole, or maybe rih, running in the hole. So in these two cases, so you are taking, or maybe you are leaving, that means you are pick up, or maybe you lay down the drill pipes, at that time you will see this condition. So whenever you are using a mechanical crane, or maybe any instrument which is used to lay down the drill pipes, at that time you will take the drill pipes from the rig floor, and you will put upon the one of the one of the stand like this, one of the stand like this, you will place upon this stand. So whenever you are putting like this is not a big problem, but whenever you put like this, that is unstable position, at any time these pipes will roll and cause anything, like falling over the floor, or maybe falling over the ground. Any instrument is available, or maybe under presence of the downside may cause damage, maybe movement of the people also cause damage, anything can happen. So whenever you are lay down the drill pipes, you should take care about is they are in stable condition or not in stable condition. Okay, and next one is drums, where we will see these drums in the this drilling industry. You may see in the two sections, in one is mechanical, another one is the drilling fluids. So where we are using for the mechanic, for the purpose of lubricant oil, that is engine oil, and also diesel transporting, we are transporting diesel from one place to another place, using for the starting of the engines. At that time also we are using the drums. So this is what stable condition, because it is not in rolling condition. This is this is in stable condition, but here you see there is a chance of rolling of this equipment, that is a drum. So we are not placing the drums not like this. Always drums will be in standing position, boxes are as in horizontal, that is rest in position. And the next one, and very very important one, is you see there are bags, sacks, these bags. So this is very very important for you to, who are the people they are mixing the chemicals, or maybe people who are storing these bags in a storing area, you should know how to store them. So whenever they are pulling the bag, then there is a chance of coming like a lot, and it will come and fall upon the body of any person who is pulling those back, can cause fatality also. So whenever you are removing, you should be in the safest position, and you should do the safe activities only. So before going to do the safest operation, you should be in a good organizing manner. So it is not recommended for anyone to store the bags like this. This is not the recommendable, because whenever you place these three bags upon, you place another bag, then cause a fall of the excess one. So here this is the very very easiest way, and it is a very stable position. You will place the two and upon one, like that. Again you will place the two upon one, like that. If you place one by one like that, then it is in the more stable condition. And the next one is lifting of this drill pipes, or maybe any elements, with the help of the crane. So here you see there is a hook. Here there is a hook. With the help of this hook, you will lift the any load from the one position to the another position. Here the slings, here these are the slings, they are connected to the hook, what we are seen in the previous. So from one place to another place they are transporting. If you are using this good positions for this lifting of these elements, then only it is possible to place them from one place to another position. But if you are not using good position, and you are placing like the exactly at the center, it is not possible. Exactly at the center, using one sling, or maybe a damaged sling, can cause a failure of the transporting the your whatever the load you want to transport. Okay, viewers, I hope you understand well about what is the organizing of the drilling industry equipments. I hope you understand well. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.